sometimes the firepower control may be not very good, so the temperature may increase very quickly, and the temperature is high. So the oil gas couldn't be cooled down to the liquid oil during the before 3 step cooling. So we needed this to promise that all the oil gas could be cooled down to the liquid oil through our condenser system to promise the oil yield. And this is the water seal. It's a safety device. It's a safety device that used to avoid the oil gas flowback. And this is the vacuum system that I introduced the patent certification for it before, and this is mainly used to extract the remaining oil gas in the reactor that after the pyrolysis finished, because if there are much amount of the oil gas